I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Dimsum Break. And yes guys, that is a 1.5 liter of Coke, and it is for free if ever you order Dimsum Break's Delivery Blowout. Dimsum Break's Delivery Blowout includes 2 orders of beef spring rolls, 2 orders of Chicken Shaomai, and 4 orders of beef steak rice. And just for sharing guys, it is my first time to try their Chicken Shaomai. And of course guys, spring rolls, murag what is dimsum good guys kung wala spring rolls, or lumpia Shanghai, or lumpia is life. And honestly, not because of this Dimsum Break's Delivery Blowout, dili pa ko makatry sa ilahang beef steak rice. So yes guys, first time pa sa din ako. But for that, una ko sa gidayon na to ang lumpia. Yes, lumpia guys. Dahil ato yung i-roll over good sa sauce, diba? Which is I'm really like, kaya dili sa sila tihik kaayo sa sauce. So they give you 2 packs in this package. And then the Shaomai. So it's my first time to try their Chicken Shaomai. So this is a very good option kung dili ka mukaon og pork Shaomai. And of course, lamig kay ang lumpia guys sa chili sauce sa ato ang Shaomai. Then mas perfect na gyud dayon, lipay na kayo ang bata. And again, balik ta sa sweet and sour sauce plus the chili sauce again. Ayan, mas perfect na yun. Who says that this is good for 3 to 4? Pwede niya na kumahurot oy. And then again, inom sa to ang free nga Coke, be. And now, let's try the beef steak rice. So then again, guys, I've mentioned it is my first time to try this one. And lami sa gid siya. It's not really like the dimsum nga kung imagine ko be, pero lami sa gid siya after all. Kana galing murag rice lang ulam na because of the sauce. Patay gutom kay kuno. Sorry na good guys, but you know what makes perfect na ko basta makaon ko og dimsum steam fried rice. Diba? Kanang rice dan itself. Lami naman gid na siya. Then ibutang din na to ang Shaomai. And unsa man plus the Shaomai, ibutang sa gyud dayon na to ang lumpia. Now this is perfect. And karon pa nako isulti ang price. All of this for only 599 pesos, and it is available in Grab and in Food Panda. But then again guys, don't forget to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!